Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still thinking that this is going to go up and make a wave C of wave Y. I think this is the A of Y, I think this is the B of Y, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C of this W, X, and Y pattern. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave Y. That makes this right here, well, that's a WXY right there, but that would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this right here a wave 2. That would also make us now in a wave 3, which I think on these very high time frames will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this big wave 3, which I think is a wave 3 of C, which is a wave C of wave Y. Definitely kind of a mouthful, but if you understand Elliot wave, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Heading down to the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down pretty strong last 3-4 days. We definitely do not have a significant lower high. We definitely do not have a break of structure. I am definitely still pretty bullish. I still think there is a pretty good chance that this is going to at least go up one more time before we actually end the wave 1 of 3 and make a bigger correction for a wave 2 of 3 and then back up for the wave 3 of wave 3. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a three-way pattern already. I kind of feel like this right here may be a wave 4 and a wave 5. That would make this right here a wave A, B, C. We are at the 61.8, so if this does make like a nice engulfing move, take out that high in the last bearish candle, then I think that would be the end of an A, B, C correction. And the trend is our friend, so we are definitely primarily looking for longs. So I think that would be a really good opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, I don't really like the fact that this is, kind of very sideways, kind of corrective looking, but it may just be making like a failed wave 5. This could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a failed wave 5. If that's the case, if it does go up and if it does break above at this Fibonacci level, like I said, then I think that would possibly be the end of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, 1, 2, 3 B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. So I'm just waiting and watching, and because if it does break structure, then that's definitely the entry I'm going to be looking for to go long for the continuation of what I think is still a wave 1 of wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom, where we look for entries together. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry. You get all this by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.